hope you all are good and safe at home. So today we will see the second session of your chapter 2 Windows 10 overview. Let us have the review what are the topics that we are going to cover in this session. They are namely Windows 10 Task View, Virtual Desktops, File Explorer, the File Explorer ribbon and Windows Snapping. These are the leftover topics of chapter 2. Let's see what is task view. Task view is the view which allows you to quickly move within your open windows and application. What does this mean? Students, this means that you can quickly move within your applications and windows that you all are already working within. So for example, if I'm working in the Chrome browser, simultaneously I have any file open with PPT software or any MS Word software. So this task view, this feature allows me to quickly move within open windows and application. I'm having so many windows opened over here. You can see in these screenshots, I have so many windows opened on my laptop screen. Now how I can move quickly within these so many screens? I can quickly first click on this task view button, which is located here on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen, and I can quickly access all the opened applications or any other window of other application simultaneously. There is one shortcut also. We can press and hold the window key on the keyboard, and with that window key we can press the tab key to achieve the same result. Either you can do it by clicking mouse from this task view button, or you can do it by clicking the by pressing the window key and the tab button. Also you can press alt plus tab key. Okay, this is one of the shortcut, alt plus tab keyboard shortcut, which serves a similar purpose which a task view allows you to do. Okay, next topic comes is the virtual desktop. First we will understand what is the meaning of this word virtual. Students, virtual word means that something which is we can see but that really do not exist. हम उसे देख सकते हैं पर एक्चुअल में वह होता नहीं है. दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ वर्चुअल वर्ड. सो वर्चुअल डेस्कटॉप मीन्स there are so many desktop screen you can see but actually they do not exist. So this is some new feature of Windows 10. One of the new features of Windows 10 is the addition of virtual desktop. Now what is the use of this virtual desktop? This allows you to have multiple screen where we can keep open or our windows organized. For example, one desktop everyone has seen, एक डेस्कटॉप स्क्रीन आती है अपने कंप्यूटर या लैपटॉप में, बट दिस विंडोज 10 अलाउज यू टू हैव मल्टीपल स्क्रीन्स वेयर वी कैन कीप आर ओपन विंडोज. ओपन विंडोज मतलब जिन विंडोज में हम काम कर रहे हैं, वी कैन कीप देम ओपन एंड ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मैनर. For example, at virtual desktop 1 I can keep all my browser related windows. On virtual desktop 2 I can keep all my, for example, I'm working in Excel files, so I can keep all my Excel file open in another virtual desktop. So this is the major use of virtual desktop. Now if you want to add virtual desktop screen, what you have to do is we have to follow these 3 steps to add virtual desktop. First one is you have to click the task view, which I have explained you in the previous slide. Task view button on the taskbar you will click. Then you will get the option of new desktop. Okay, on the lower right you can see I have attached the this here you can see new desktop. This option you have to click and you can access or delete the new desktop by clicking again the task view. And see students, here is the desktop 1. The number of desktops you keep on adding, it gets added and named as desktop 1, desktop 2, desktop 3. उनका नाम by default कैसे set हो जाता है? desktop 1, desktop 2, desktop 3 and so on. And if you want to delete any virtual desktop, you can simply delete it also. Next topic comes is of Windows 10 File Explorer. This is very important topic or very important feature or component you can say of Windows 10. This file explorer is what? It is the file management of Windows operating system. You can say that in short, सारी files जो manage होती है, that is done by using file explorer. All the files of Windows are managed using this file explorer. Students, it is very necessary to know this is the major icon of Windows file explorer. एक फोल्डर जैसा आइकन है with a blue ribbon on it. So this is the file explorer icon. And what is its use? File explorer is the file management used by Windows operating system so that you can browse your folders and files easily. Browse means you can move एक फोल्डर से दूसरे फोल्डर में जाना, और if you want to search any folder or file, you can do it using this file explorer. It provides graphical interface, as I have explained you in the last session, in the last video, that what is graphical interface means any icon or any image based representation is known as graphical interface, and this icon is the graphical interface of Windows File Explorer. So it provides graphical interface for the user to navigate and access the files stored in the computer. एक graphical interface provide करता है so that you can move within files and folders, you can access different files and folders which are stored in your computer. Just see these two steps by which you can access मतलब किसी भी चीज को use करना. How you can access this file explorer? Simply you have to click the folder icon in taskbar. This folder icon in the taskbar, I have explained you, taskbar lies here at the bottom of the screen. एकदम बॉटम पे आती है टास्क बार, वहां पे एक फोल्डर का आइकन आता है. देयर यू हैव टू क्लिक दिस एंड यू विल गेट ओपन विद द फाइल एक्सप्लोरर विंडो. आपके सामने एक फाइल एक्सप्लोरर की विंडो ओपन हो जाएगी. देन यू कैन ब्राउज और नेविगेट योर files which are stored in your computer. Now coming to the next topic, file explorer ribbon. Now we have studied about the file explorer. As soon as you click on the file explorer icon, a window will open, and after that window you can see that window will have at the top this kind of ribbon. Okay, this ribbon is there, as you have studied in MS Word ribbon comes, MS Excel ribbon comes. This is the ribbon of file explorer. Now what is the file explorer ribbon? This file explorer ribbon features a ribbon toolbar. एक toolbar है means all the tools are present on this ribbon. Students, you can see here it is the option of copy. एक copy का option है. Then cut, copy path, move to, copy to, delete, rename. So all these are the various options or various functions that you can perform. So this ribbon consists of tools, and that is why it is known as sometimes ribbon toolbar. So this ribbon contains buttons and commands for the most common task. Most common task, what does this mean? आपका सबसे कॉमन टास्क क्या होता है? टू कॉपी समथिंग, टू कट समथिंग, टू पेस्ट समथिंग, to move one file or folder to other location, to copy any folder, delete, rename. So these are the common tasks that you perform. So this ribbon toolbar consists of all the basic operation tools that you can perform quickly. There are various functions that you can perform. You can open any file or folder or create a new file folder. You can copy, paste and move files and folders from one place to another. Again, I am telling you students, just see here, you can see the icon of move and copy. You can move any file or folder. यहाँ से move कर सकते हैं, copy कर सकते हैं. You can move it to any of the destination you want. Okay, you can delete. You can see this cross button, delete. Rename करना मतलब to change the name. So these are so many functions that you can perform using the file explorer ribbon. Okay. The next topic comes is of window snapping. Now what does the window snapping? First of all, we will focus on the word snapping. Snapping means to move, frequently move. Means जल्दी जल्दी किसी एक चीज को दूसरी जगह पे डायरेक्शन किसी विंडो का मूव करना. सो विंडो स्नैपिंग मीन्स टू चेंज द विंडोज वेरी क्विकली, वेरी फास्टली from one side to other side of your screen. So Windows snapping was first introduced in Windows 7 operating system. First, when was it first introduced? In Windows 7, and it is a pretty convenient feature for quickly maximizing your screen's real estate. You have seen at the top three buttons come: minimize, maximize and close. So you can quickly maximize your screen real estate, means आपकी actual screen को आप maximize minimize कर सकते हो very quickly. This feature lets you snap a window to one side of your screen. स्नैप अभी आपको मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया, मीन्स टू मूव और टू क्विकली शफल, फटाफट से चेंज करना फ्रॉम वन साइड ऑफ योर स्क्रीन विदाउट हैविंग टू मूव इट अराउंड एंड रीसाइड. उसको खुद से कहीं पे भी मूव नहीं करेंगे, ड्रैग नहीं करेंगे, रीसाइज नहीं करेंगे, जस्ट वी विल स्नैप इट, वी विल क्विकली शफल इट. ओके, so you can see there are some keyboard shortcuts by which you can snap the window logo key and the four arrow keys you will use. What will be the function performed? When you will use window key with left arrow, it will snap window to the left side, means this side. If you will use right arrow, it will snap to this right side. Up arrow to the top of the screen, and bottom this down arrow will snap to the bottom of the screen. So this is the four arrow key along with the window key will help you to snap the windows quickly from one side of your screen to the other side of the screen. I hope you understood what I am trying to say. Okay, so this is all about this chapter. Thank you students. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep learning.